Okay, so I've unpacked the frame out of the bag and I've got all the various sections of the frame on the floor. Each frame section has got a number on it, and assembly is very easy because you just line the relevant numbers together. For example, a 1 and a 1. So the corner pieces are quite obvious, they're rounded. Straight sections go at the sides of the frame, and the curved sections are at the top and the bottom. There's also a support bar which is going to go in the middle over here to rigidize the frame. So first things first, put the sections together, press the buttons in, press the sections together, and they'll lock in place like so. Connect up the relevant numbers, a 1 to a 1 and so on. Curved sections of the frame are going to go top and bottom. This is a curved section. Once again, you can't go wrong because two numbers are always going to match. Last section of the frame is just this support piece that goes in the middle. Once again, exactly the same as before. Numbers just go together. So we've got a 20, a 20. Last section, 21 and 21. That's the framework built. Okay, in terms of putting the graphic on, open the print up with a zipper on one side, open the zip. Top and bottom are the same, so it doesn't matter which way around you put it. It over the frame. And just pull the whole graphic over, just like a big, put it in like a big sock over the frame. Once the print's on, you want to roughly just make sure that it's correctly fitted into the corners, like so. Pull the fabric around a little bit if you need to. And finally, once the fabric's roughly sitting on the frame, take the zipper, Might need to use two hands just to release a bit of tension. Literally just zip it shut. So again, if the print's a little bit tight, just release some of the tension by pulling it with one hand and zip it shut with the other. Like so. When the frame's on the floor, make sure it looks fairly symmetrical, because you can twist the frame when you're handling it. If you think the frame's twisted, just straighten it up like so, so it looks nice and symmetrical. And then holding it from the centre at the back, just literally stand it up. And that's all there is to it.